Okay, problem number 6 says, when I found the rate of change for the function below, I came up with $1 per kilogram because I counted the slope by going up 1 over 1. However, my teacher said for me to look over my work. Okay, so they give this person the graph, all right? They went on ahead. Remember, slope is rise over run, right? So all you need is 2 points. So they identified these 2 points. They did one over here. They said they rose up 1, ran across 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1, right? So they got that answer. Then they did it again, and they said, okay, well, this point here is 0, 0. Remember, all you need is 2 points. This point here is 1, 1. So they used the formula, right, which you need 2 x's, 2 y's. So they did the formula, and they did y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So their y1 is 1, right? Their y2 is 1. Their y1 is 0. So they did 1 minus 0 over x2 minus x1, and the x2 is 1 minus the x1 is 0. So 1 minus 0 again. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. Again, 1 divided by 1 still left them with 1. So they want to know is where is their mistake. All right, so first of all, everything looks pretty good, right? However, guys, pay attention to the scaling. Is each block, what are they counting by? Okay, are they counting by ones? If not, if they're not counting by ones, what are they counting by? All right, and then that's how much. So if you go from here to here, to here, to here, are they counting by ones? Did he run up by 1 when he came here? Okay, did he run across 1 when he came here? So pay attention to the scaling. All right, so where's his mistake? Why is he still getting 1? All right, what is the initial value of the function? So initial value is always the starting point. Guys, where do we start? Right here. All right, we always start where the graph starts, which is right here. We'll call that the y-intercept. Okay, so the initial value is always the y-intercept. Y-intercept the function. So what is the initial value? Basically, what is the y-intercept? What is the starting point? All right. The next question, what type of slope is represented? So remember, guys, you have 4 types of slope. You have positive, negative, 0, and undefined. There are 4 types, right? So that's positive, negative, 0, undefined. So what type of slope is represented in this graph? And how many zeros does the function have? Again, what is 0? Another word for x-intercept. So how many does it have? How many zeros? So how many x-intercepts? I only see it crossing my x-axis once. Okay,